What's up, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be installing some mid pipes. Basically, delete your catalytic converters. These are from Stainless Works. Good setup here. I'm not gonna hold you up any further. Let's get started. Pipe deletes here. Basically what we're going to do is get rid of the catalytic converters running E85, so it's not going to do us any good. Only thing that's going to happen is it's going to ruin the catalytic converters. So give us a little more power, breathe a little bit better. Remember, these are for off-road use only. So the Stainless Works, JBA makes them too, but I gotta say Stainless Works, I like their products a little bit better. It comes with the reducers, comes with the extra clamps, and they give you all the hardware, give you keychain, a bunch of other dope stuff. Friggin' beer remover, spindle well thing, pretty cool, not too bad. Love these guys. So, all right, let's get at it. All right, make sure you guys got your proper safety equipment. So I'm using jack stands. Plus, I always keep the jack under there to keep it from extra point of contact for safety, right? So don't really need a whole lot here. It's pretty simple, straightforward. So those clamps right there have to come loose, and if you guys look up under here, there's two studs. They gotta come loose, and then you gotta take the O2 connectors, O2 sensors out of, so there's bungs. So I'll show you that here in a second. Nothing too crazy. So if you got an impact gun like I do, it's gonna go really fast. Shouldn't take too long. And so let's get it going. As you can see, we got one side out. Like I said, get all the bolts loose here. Loosen up the clamps down here. You can see the pipe came out, and you wanna make sure that you take your O2 connector out. Now, one thing about your O2 connector, it's I wanna say 11/16. It's not a metric. Everything else is metric. Well, the bolts on the friggin' exhaust aren't metric either, so they're SAE. So I want to say those are 5/8 bolts, and this is an 11/16 or something like that, or 13/16. But it's a bigger wrench, so you want to make sure you got one of those in order to get that out. Just check, make sure you got the right size to take out the O2 connectors, because they're not going to be in your standard metric. When everyone comes out pretty easy off the studs, except for that side, you got to get a wrench and actually take the inside bolt off. But otherwise, things are looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'll come back once I get the other pipes installed. Pipes out, O2's out. It's relatively clean. You can see these weigh a lot more than those, so it's going to be a little bit of weight savings. You can see these are super restrictive on the inside, and those are not. So going to gain a little bit of power with that too. So, and my neighbor's going to love me a little bit more. Put our O2 connector in on the driver's side. These are clearly marked as Stainless Works, so you can't really mess them up. And I'm slide back into the car, install this real fast, and do the other side here. Old cats are off. If you guys need some, hit me up. I'll be glad to ship them out to you, man. I'm never going to use them again. So, unless, you know, these are for off-road use only. Again, everything's installed nice. As you guys see, they give you those expanders right there to make it a little bit easier. I don't think the JBAs have that, but the extra clamps still in there. O2s go in there. Got plenty of room. No need for any extenders or anything like that. Everything's hooked up nice. Like I said, great kit, Stainless Works. I definitely highly recommend that you use them. You know, one thing note: when you pull your old cat pipes off, make sure you use the pipe to kind of expand that expansion joint there. It'll make it easier to get the new pipe in, you know, because once you crimp it, it's crimped pretty tight there from the factory. So you just want to wiggle it out, or if you got one of those pipe expander things, just put it in there and give it a couple cranks and open it up a little bit. It'll make it a little bit easier. But if not, you can use your old pipe to, once you get the O2 loose from it, you can just wiggle it around and open that up a little bit. But other than that, man, it's a wrap. So all right, so that's it, man. It took me about 2 hours, maybe a little bit more, because I was making the video, and I'm in Vegas. It's probably like 115 out. I mean, it's not that hot in the garage because it's not out in the sun, but it's pretty hot outside today, so it's well over 100. Yeah, it was pretty smooth, man. I could have probably did it in less than an hour if I was working straight through. I didn't have to go to the store to get any tools. I had everything I needed. Like I said, on the pipes, it's SAE size bolts, and you know, for the most part, I think you got a couple metrics that'll work, but it's good to have an impact gun. You're gonna have to have one wrench to get around the one catalytic converter on the passenger side. Driver side comes right off with a socket and an extension, so pretty good, not bad at all. Car sounds friggin' amazing. You guys heard it. Just waiting to get my Toon done, so that's gonna happen any minute here. Waiting for Tim to send me a new file. Other than that, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the install. If you have any questions, just hit me up. You know, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, hit the don't like button. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you like the channel. If not, then keep it moving. You guys have a good 4th of July weekend. I'll talk to you later. Until next video, peace.